So, how to use Microsoft Office 365 for free. If you go to the Microsoft website, here you can see all the subscriptions and their rates. You will see these rates in your local currency. Microsoft 365 Personal Package costs around $6.99 per month. Ideal for individual users, including premium features. Microsoft 365 Family Package costs around $9.99 per month. Covers up to 6 people and provides the same benefits as the personal plan, but for multiple users. Microsoft 365 Basic Package costs around $1.99 per month. It also gives you premium features. However, I'm going to tell you how you can get this completely free by using the methods that I will tell you. The first method is by using the free Microsoft Office web version. Don't worry, I will tell you how you can locally install it and use it. You can access it through your web browser by going to office.com. Here you can find online versions of necessary Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This web version is very powerful. You can create, edit, and share. Simply sign in with your email or create a new one. Now that's the smooth interface of the Office 365 web version. If you see the free tag, it gives you 5 GB space for your document. At the top and first of the options, there is the Create New section where you can create a new document, new presentation, new workbook, quiz, list, design, video, and so on. The next section is the Discover section where you can discover what you want to do and learn. At the end, in the Quick Access section, you can access your projects that are recently added, shared, and favorites. We are not created any project yet, so there is nothing here. Now, if you see on the left side, there are a few options. The first one is the same Create. You can also create your new projects by clicking on this. Next is My Content. You can also approach your projects from there. Now, the main option is Apps. In this, you can find all your Office apps that you want to use. Some main apps are pinned in this taskbar. The first one is Word. Simply click on it and explore. In this app, you can create many things from scratch by using a blank document. It gives you many templates like professional resumes, letters, geometrical student resumes, and many others. Explore all the options and give feedback in the comment. The next useful app is Excel. Same as the first, there is a blank workbook to work from scratch. Next, it also gives you some templates for the ease of your work. If you see down there, there is another option, Upload, which means you can upload your previous project from there. Simply click on Upload and locate your project file and open it. Here is your saved project that you opened. Step forward to the next app, PowerPoint. As with Word and Excel, it also gives you a blank workspace to create your work and show your creativity. It also gives you some templates for your ease. You can also upload your project here and continue your previous work. There are many more tools and apps in this 365 web version. Simply use them and share your experience in the comments. The web versions of Microsoft Office applications have notable limitations compared to the desktop. They impose file size limits, 100 megabytes for Word and Excel, and 2 gigabytes for PowerPoint, and do not support certain file formats like .dot and HTML. Additionally, the web versions require an internet connection and are generally less responsive than the desktop version. File storage and sharing are restricted to OneDrive or SharePoint, limiting flexibility. The web version also lacks many advanced features, which are available in the desktop version. The second method to use Microsoft Office 365 full versions without limitations is to get a 1-month free trial for their Microsoft 365 plans. To get the trial, go to your account. Next, My Microsoft account. Go to Services and Subscriptions. At the top and first, you can see your free first month trial. Simply click on Try for free. Choose your plan accordingly. Follow the prompts to sign up, providing payment information, and get your free trial. After the payment method, if you see on the top right side, you will have a new button of Install Now. This is how you can install Office 365. Let's install it. You can get this option after getting a free 1-month trial. If you want to install it without registered for a trial, the third method to get it for 5 days, with full features completely free. Here's the method. Go to your browser and search for Office 365 free download. The link is also given in the description. Slightly scroll down, and you will see the options like Download for Windows and Download for Mac. I used Windows, so I clicked on Download for Windows. Within a few minutes, your setup will be downloaded. Locate the downloaded setup and run as administrator. Now your setup will start installing. Takes a few minutes to install. After installation, simply close that pop-up. Now click on the Start menu. You can see all the apps here after installing. Let's open the Word. After that, sign in with your Microsoft account or sign up with a new one. After sign up, continue with the prompts accordingly. And finally, done. After that, a new pop-up opens. It gives you 5 days free trial. I signed up with my old account, that's why my 4 days are remaining behind. Explore all the features and don't forget to check out the 1-month free trial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time. Thank you.